Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό δεν μας τα λες καλά. Δεν μας τα λες καλά, it's an expression that we use whenever someone hasn't been talking straight to us or hasn't been behaving well. So, let's break this down. Δεν μας τα λες means you're not telling us. Καλά means well. And you can play around with the verb less depending on who is not talking straight or not behaving well. So let's have a look at some examples. Αλλάζεις συνεχώς το συμβόλαιο. You're changing the contract constantly. Δεν μας τα λες καλά. And ο γείτονας πάλι κάνει πάρτι. The neighbor is having a party again. Δεν μας τα λέει he καλά. So, if you want to practice more with this expression, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you're interested in one-to-one classes, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your speaking skill even if you are on level 0 and it is as fun and effective as these videos. I'll see you in the next one then.